In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Photoroom to enhance your images with ease. This fantastic web app offers a straightforward and user-friendly way to creatively edit your photos, whether you're a budding photographer, content creator, or someone looking to make their pictures pop. First things first, you'll want to head over to app.photoroom.com. Once you're there, you'll find an option labeled Create. This is your gateway to unlocking a world of editing possibilities. Clicking on this will open up the canvas where the magic happens. Now, to get started on your project, you'll need to introduce your photos to the workspace. You can do this by selecting the option that says Drop one or more photos. Simply drag and drop the images you want to work with into the designated area. It's a quick and seamless way to upload your files without any hassle. Once your image has been uploaded, one of the crucial features you'll want to explore is the outline option. Click on this to start framing your photo. The outline can give your image that standout, framed look, which is perfect for social media posts or when you want the focus solely on your subject. After outlining, you might want to give your image a splash of color to match your theme or personal preference. Click on Color to change the outline's color to any hue you desire. Whether it's a bright pop of red, a calm blue, or something in between, the choice is entirely yours. Following the color adjustments, you can then modify the outline's width. This feature is useful for determining how subtle or bold you want the outline to appear. A thicker outline might be more eye-catching, while a thinner one could offer a more refined look. So feel free to experiment until it meets the vision you have in mind. Next is the blur feature, which allows you to adjust how sharp or diffuse the outline appears relative to your image. Adding a slight blur can give your photo a soft, dreamy effect, which can be particularly appealing in creating artistic visuals. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your images using Photoroom. By following these steps, creating, uploading, outlining, coloring, adjusting the width, and blurring, you have all the tools needed to make your pictures stand out. This user-friendly app extends beyond these features, so take some time to explore and discover more possibilities that can be applied to your photos. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to create beautiful, eye-catching images with Photoroom. Keep experimenting, because the best editing is an evolving journey of creativity and exploration.